So tomorrow I have an electrician coming to my house because I want to install an extra power wall socket thing on the floor or something down there. And I also want to put one in that corner there and one in this corner here. So I'm gonna clear up this whole area, and we're gonna do that with a time lapse. So I'm getting 7 socket plugs installed today, and 2 of them is going to be right there. Let me zoom in. So this 2 is going to be sharing like the same plug with that 2, and they're all going to be taken from there. And then later I'm going to install another one over here where the yellow tape is, and it's going to be pulling power from here. And that will be for my oven, because right now my oven is sitting here awkwardly facing, you know, it's kind of strange that it's facing here. So I'm thinking of putting my oven over there. This one will be the 3rd one with 3 plug points. Okay, so I'm done with the apartment. I gotta go back and clean it. Right now I'm on the way to my mom's house because we need to change the aircon switch power thing. So I'm bringing the electrician to my mom's house. We're gonna get that done, then I'll come home and I'm gonna clean the whole house. Now I'm back at my mom's house, and my god, it's so hot. They're cutting the trees here. This is my old room, and the aircon button here doesn't work. Alright, I got chicken rice for lunch, and then I'm gonna do... What am I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna clean the house right after I finish my lunch. And I think I'll stick you right over here. Okay, I hope that's a good spot. Okay, time to clean the house. Alright, that's about it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna put my bed back there. I might in a few days maybe if I feel like it. So that's done. I'm using one of the sockets down there. I'm planning to put like a small little light somewhere in the corner there. And the one over here, I'm thinking of putting one of those rice paper lamps or some sort. And that's just, you know, extra in case I need to put another light. Too many lights. I have a lot of light. There's a thing that I have with lights. That's for another video. I don't want to explain it in this video. See you guys.